Hey, coming at you from 101.9, playing the hits all day, every day. This is Mr. Hakem, Activity 11. All right, here we go. Quiz scores 2. Okay, so you finished Activity 10, Quiz scores 1. You're getting a handle on using formulas and seeing the power of Excel. Well, let's keep this rolling here. Okay, so you have all these kids in your class in Ms. Sanchez's class. Okay, we need to find the average now of each quiz. We need to find the maximum grade of each quiz, and we need to find the minimum grade, meaning the least, who did the worst. Okay, so now you see all these different numbers, and yeah, you could go through and just figure out the maximum minimum pretty easily if just looking at the highest number. Imagine if you had hundreds of kids, and then also figuring out the average. You'd have to add all these up and then divide by, what is there, 30 kids, 33 kids or something. So you don't want to do that. Make Excel work for you. Super easy. Okay, so there's a way easier way of doing this that I'm going to show you, but I want to show you this way for right now just so you can see that there's going to be an easier way in the future. Okay, so all you have to do, remember we're telling Excel, hey, we want to do math now, right? Alright, so you just go equal. We want to do math. We want to find the average of this column, of column C, right? The average grade of quiz 1. All you have to do is just then type in equal AVER. Look, check it out. We get these screen tips coming up. You just click that average, or well, I guess just keep typing it. Oh, I spelled it wrong. That's why. AVER, average, okay? So we want the average. Now, all you have to do is just... Come on, mouse. You just... Sorry, my mouse wasn't working. So you just put a parenthesis. So you say equal average, and it kind of tells you in number 3A what to do, but I'm just giving you some hints here. So, and then you can do what the book is telling you to do. You can just click and then do the colon and then type the ending, C43. In my case, it would just be, C13 because it takes a lot of time to do these, as you found out, right? So what I find is easiest is just click and then drag. Okay, and look, and it does it all for me. And your parentheses. So what you're telling it to do is Excel, you're saying, hey, find the average of C10 through C13. In your case, it's going to be C10 through C43. Just hit enter. Boom, the average quiz grade was an 85, okay? Now, do we have to do this for quiz 2? Let's just do it for practice. We want to do equal average, and then we just want to say parenthesis. Click here, don't release, drag down, and parenthesis, PAM. But did we have to do that? Absolutely not, because you can autofill to the left and right as well, okay? So, save time, right? Work smarter, not harder. And we double check to make sure that it is properly doing what you want, and it is. Okay, now maximum. Take a guess. What do you think? How we're going to start this? Yes, equal sign, MAX. Look at it. Returns the largest value in a set of values. Ignores logical values in text. So yes, we want to find the maximum. So the maximum number, the highest grade. Then you just do equals max, your parenthesis, and then just highlight. You want to find the maximum number. Close your parentheses. You're saying, hey Excel, I'm done with this part. Boom. Okay. Easily 99. You could see that, but imagine if you had hundreds of students, hundreds of employees, or whatever. Minimum. Take a guess. MIN, parenthesis. Boom. And your parenthesis. Pow. Autofill over. Click. Bottom right, autofill over, right? You don't have to keep doing it over and over. Now, last but not least, our total. Oh, we did that before. Never mind. Okay. So, there's just some sorting, which you have to do, and be careful with your sorting. Make sure you keep the person whose grade they are, okay, because you don't want to switch the people. So follow the directions, be careful with that. All right, so hey, we're finally starting to get into good stuff here. We're using formulas and math and whatnot in Excel. All right, arrivederci. Oh, hey, real quick, guys, forgot to tell you, don't forget, you want to do a file save as here, because we already have activity 10. Remember, we used this file already. So just do a file save as, right? And then you're going to be calling this quiz scores 2, right? So what this does is it makes a whole brand new file, right? But it doesn't overwrite our old file, and that's what we want to do. All right. Peace.